Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to draw a square given the length of sides. To draw a thin horizontal line, you have to use your T-square to support your ruler this way. Then you can now draw the horizontal line to the required length. Note that the length of the line you draw should be equal to the length of sides of the square you are about to draw. Now label the line. Now you are to construct a right angle on line AB. You are to do so by first extending line AB. Then place your compass on point B. With any convenient radius, draw a semicircle this way. Now bisect the line joining the points where the semicircle intersects your line. You can do so with any suitable radius. Now draw a line from point B passing through the point where the arcs intersect. The line should be at least equal to the length of sides of your square. Now extend your compass to a radius equal to the length of line AB. Then cut an arc on the line you just drew. Label the point where the arc intersects the line. Now, using a radius equal to the length of line AB, place your compass on point A. Then cut an arc this way. Also place your compass on point C. Then cut an arc using the same radius to intersect the previous arc you cut. Label the point where the arcs intersect. You can now complete your square. The square has been drawn successfully. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Challenge with any of your engineering drawing or technical drawing assignments, you can send the question to the WhatsApp number displayed. I will solve the questions and send a video of the solution to you. It's completely free, it will not cost you a dime.